What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your man Jay, and today we have a 6-in-1 USB-C hub sent to us by the company XSUID. I didn't want to butcher that name. However, before we unbox this and check out the functionality, if tech is something that you're into, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so before we unbox it, I just want to show you where you can pick this up at. You can grab it right here on Amazon. It's about $16.97, so I'll make sure I throw a link up in the description as well. So let's just take a quick look at the box. Nothing serious. 6-in-1 USB-C hub plug and play. Down here at the bottom, you got one 3.0 USB, one 2.0. You got your USB-C, you got your HDMI, SD, and micro SD basically. Right here on the back, just kind of shows you what it's gonna look like. Let's go ahead and pop the top on this bad boy really quick, just like that. So first and foremost, I left the literature in the box. So we got literature that came in the box, and we got the actual hub. I'm moving pretty fast, as you can tell. So let's go ahead and get this taken out. This is what the hub is actually looking like. Got a little rubber piece on the end for protection. Right here, this is what the hub is looking like. Like I said, HDMI right there. These are going to be all your ports right here. And we'll go ahead and start with an SD card. So let me get this thing plugged in. So what we have up next is an SD card. We're just going to throw this in, go into the Files app, and see if it works. Maybe there's a picture or something over here that we can pull up. So let's go ahead and plug that in. And just like that, it popped up right here. We can open that up, go into D. We can go into the folder here, and let's just take a quick look just so we can see if it actually pulls up. Yep, this is a picture, looks like a picture of my old setup, my actual old desktop setup. So just an old bootleg picture. So let's just go ahead and close that out pretty quickly. And next we'll move on to a micro SD card. All right, guys, so what I have right here is my micro SD card. We're gonna go ahead and plug that in right now just to make sure it works. See if it pops up. Yep, popped up right here. This is from my GoPro, so we'll go through really quick, find a quick picture, open it up, and go from there. So let's just open up this one. Just a quick picture of me on my motorcycle. So as you can see, the micro SD card slot is working. Let's move on to my Seagate hard drive. All right, so next up is my Seagate hard drive. We're gonna go ahead and plug this into the 3.0 port and see if it actually works. Let's go ahead. Light is on right here, as you can see. Light is on. Let's see if it boots up. And yep, it booted up right here. Bag up plus, so let's go ahead and click that. And we're going to my drone folder. See if anything pops up in there. Got 0 items. Let's go into some more GoPro footage or something, and let's just click this just to make sure it opens up. And yep, it opened up, and it is playing the video straight from the actual hard drive. So we now know that that port is actually working as well. So let's take it out and put it into the 2.0 just to be, just to see. So we took it out, and let's throw it into the 2.0. Light is on again. And yep, bag up plus, GoPro footage. Let's play the same video again. And yep, just like that, it is working. All right, guys, so next up, I want to try out the power delivery port. So I got my zero limit juice box right here with a 45-watt power delivery port here. I'm going to be plugging into the power delivery port right here, as you can see right here on the USB-C hub. So let's see if we actually get power right up here at the top. So let's go ahead and plug this in. We got power on the juice box at 97, and we are getting power right here on the actual iPad. So the power delivery port is working. Just remember that this is 45 watts. So at least we know 45 watts is working with this USB-C hub. And now for the last test is the HDMI. We're gonna plug that in. My iPad is sitting here. We're gonna plug this in and see if we can get some picture on the actual desktop screen on the monitor. So let's go ahead and check that out. Got it plugged in. And yep, there we go. It is working perfect. Working perfect. All right, guys, so that was every single port on this 6-in-1 USB-C hub. As you can see, it is all working. Once again, shouts out to the company XSUID. Don't want to butcher that name, but shouts out to them for sending this out. I really do appreciate it. Showed you guys where you can get this on Amazon. I'll make sure I have a link into the description as well. It's been your man Jay. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.